Hi, good afternoon. I'm Muffy Clark Gill, and today I want to talk to you about a very simple tool that you can make out of upholstery foam that works great as a drawing tool in batik. So I'm going to take this piece of scrap foam, and you can use any kind of thickness of upholstery foam, and I'm going to just cut a section of this off. So we get this funny, crazy thing. So I want to make this more specialized. So I'm going to start trimming this down. This is going to look a little wacky, but let's do some more because I'm trying to draw, I think, like a pencil with this. And you just keep trimming and shaping this. See, it's slowly changing shape. And this is a technique I learned from my Nigerian batik artist friend, Gasali Andiemo. And this is just such a simple tool, but I love because you can do a lot of simple things with simple tools. So see, I'm just turning this around and shaping it with my scissors. And we're getting pretty much there. And let me trim this back a little bit. Make it a nice mess here. Okay. And I have my wax pan heated up over here, and you can't really see it, but I'm gonna just dip this in my hot wax mixture. And I have a little sampler I've been doing here, so we're gonna try drawing right on here. So I'm gonna dip this in the hot wax. I'm gonna swirl it around for a minute. Since this is a tabletop I don't care about, it's just a piece of paper, I'm just going to test it. So yeah, that's working. So with here, I'm going to just draw a line, draw a line, draw a line. And you see it makes a thick line. Now you could trim this narrower if you wanted to see what you could get away with. But you can use this for fun checkerboard kind of designs like I'm doing here. And I'm going to draw another line back here so we have this looking good. But you can see what a great line this can make without a lot of fuss. And not a lot of money. Well, who's not to like that? And I'm just going to draw this one time. And you can see how many lines I was able to make with this tool. So you think about doing this on a much bigger piece than this, you're good. You know, you can make like an African style mud cloth. It's a simplified design that you can do all sorts of fun things with. So there you have it. My handy dandy upholstery foam wax drawing tool. So thanks for joining me. I'm Muffy Clark Gill, mcgilltropicalart.com and muffyclarkgill.com. Thanks. And I'll see you soon.